Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are learning how to factorize quadratic equation. For you to factorize quadratic equation, you're supposed to know the standard form of quadratic equation, which the standard form of quadratic equation is equals to ax plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Any quadratic equation is in the form of ABC. That is the standard form of quadratic equation. Remember, if you ask to factorize this equation, then you're supposed to know where are we to. Let's write solution. You have solution like this, then we can rewrite the equation. We have 3a squared minus 11a plus 6. Whenever you are factorizing the quadratic equation, you're supposed to check the place value of the place of a. Now is 3. Remember, if x contains coefficient, you must multiply with c. You have to multiply this 3 times 6, where you get what? 18. This 18 you can keep abstractly without any use. Then, in mind, if you multiply two numbers, you get 18. If you add two numbers, you get minus 11. What are the number? Without wasting much of our time, the number will be minus 9 times minus 3. Minus 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 2 is equals to 18, which equivalent to 3 times 6 is 18. Now we are looking for two numbers. If you multiply, we get 18. If you add, you get minus 11 or subtract. Now minus 9 minus 2 is equals to minus 11. Now we can use this one as our factor, where we replace 11 and place minus 9 minus 2. We have 3a squared minus 9a minus 2a plus 6. That is the second step. In the next stage, we can say, let's factorize this side. The factor here, we have 3 here, we have 3 here. That is, also we have a here, we have a here. Our factor will be 3a into, remain only a here, because whenever you are factorizing, you can go back to the next stage. Now we have minus 3. If you remove this bracket, you go back to this stage. 3a times a, you have 3a. 3a times a, we have 9a. Now we have minus 2 outside. We open bracket and put a minus 3. Since you have the two brackets are equal, then we can take 3a minus 2 and a minus 3 as our factor. That's our factor now is 3a minus 2 or a minus 3. That is our factor. That's the end on how to solve this question. If you enjoy our lesson, don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your learned colleague. Thanks for watching.